This lovely lady rolling around on the ground, even though it's freezing out here, is Bushytail. She is about 7 years old. She's already been caught and fixed, so she can't have any more babies. Fortunately, she needs a place to stay. She's very, very friendly, but a little territorial. So this is another colony that I'm going in. And sometimes there's a raccoon that likes to come out here. I call him Fluffy, because Fluffy has been eating with the cat so long he thinks he's one of them. Now, I'm going to see if I can try to figure out a way to film and feed at the same time. I'm going to have to figure out how to do this. Get out of here. Ah! It's not going to work. Okay, that'll work. So, out of there. So I already mixed the food up. In the summertime, it's not too bad because you can come out here, and there's a lot of cats in the summertime. That's why I say there's about 40 of them in all the colonies. Slinky, Slinky, happy boy. You know it's cold. It's dinner time. It's so cold out here. All the canned food will freeze. So I got about 5 or 6 cups of dry, and Bushy, as you can see, she's really friendly. She needs a home, and this guy is a little bit more mean, but I can pet him because I've feeding him so long, and they're kind of a married couple. Now I'm going to stand back because you're probably going to see more cats come out if I stand back. Let's web it. Come here. Now don't say I confused him with that call. He's thinking, oh, you want something? Yeah, I want to stroke you, buddy. Come here, buddy. He's a little afraid. Come here, buddy. Alright, I'm going to stand back. Stand way back. So, Wabbit's going to come back out again. And at one point there were 15 cats in this particular colony. I think Wabbit has been fixed, and she's a little timid because I'm standing here, and I'm at least 25 feet away from her, and she's still a little nervous. So, hopefully she'll eat. Now, that's the third colony. I have to walk back to the other side of town and drop off some more food. And I want you to know that just because you see a few cats, there are many more. Outside cats, sometimes they show up really late, like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning to get food. I actually used to live in this building, which is behind that fence that you see on the left-hand side of the screen. And I used to look out my window, and I would see all these cats digging in the garbage. So here's the garbage. Still a lot of garbage. And I said, well, this is not good. So I started feeding him. I'm going to shut this off. Photograph another colony. Should take me a little while. It's 9:36 now and p.m. And see you later.